GMC Sierra 2021. How to change the fuel filter. Alright. Grab the half-inch ratchet with a extension and 36 millimeter 36 millimeter socket. Go to slow though. Let it drop for a minute though.
Yeah. Remember, it's the Duramax.
Yeah.
For the gasser, it could be different.
That's my assistant right here.
You're not supposed to empty that, but tough shit.
A lot of us can't afford dental implants these days.
There's a part number. There's a brand. F21393. Look like that. Wait, let me give you some light. Alright, good. Did it come with the oil ring?
Yep.
The oil ring right there.
This side in, it's gonna match up right there.
Just like that. Are you gonna change the oil ring? Yeah. This boy's prepared. Watch out. Rambo. John Rambo. Alright. Yeah, don't forget to put in the same spot.
Alright, now we gotta fill it up with diesel till as much as we can and try to get as much as we can in the filter.
Give it some diesel. Alright, top it off. Should be good. Then we put it back.
Keeps on going down. The filter
because the filter is sucking it. You're almost there though. Pause.
Oh, you cocksucker.
Put it back. You should put just arms. Use both arms. Go. It's easier. That's it.
Fuck,
Just tight it and that's it. We're gonna start the car. Not start the car, but turn the car to the key to the on position like a few times, like 3 times.
Let it time.
That's how you're gonna prime it. My boy right here got some diesel in the armpits. I tell him that that's better than regular deodorant, better than Old Spice. That's how you get the girls. And that's pretty much it. Thanks to Milo right here.
I swear to God, if my bar got covered in diesel.
This is a success.
Yeah, success, yeah.
And catch us in the next one. Alright, holla at your boy Stu, Milo, Burun.
If you don't fill it up all the way with diesel, when you start it, give it gas.
Right. Yeah. Alright. Catch me in the next one, Stu, Burun. I'm out.